Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to deposit funds to your CoinDCX account. In our previous video, we have shown you how to add a bank account to your CoinDCX account. If you haven't watched that video, please click the I button in the top right corner of this video. Now let's see how to deposit funds to your CoinDCX account. Under Deposit INR to the Wallet section, click on Deposit Now button. Enter the amount you want to add. Click the confirmation checkbox and click on Continue. Select your preferred payment method. In this video, we will show you how to add funds using IMPS, NEFT, RTGS instant method. On this page, you can find the account details of the company where you can transfer the funds. Log into your internet banking account and add this account as a beneficiary. We have added this account as a beneficiary account. We could able to transfer the amount after 30 minutes. You need to transfer the exact same amount which you have entered earlier. We have transferred the amount. Now let's go to CoinDCX and check our wallet. As you can see, the amount has been credited to our account. This is how you can deposit funds to your CoinDCX account. Thank you for watching.